welcome back and happy new year. We are in 2023. I'm so sorry for the delay with the holidays. It was just so busy, but I am back. If you are still looking for more information on Japanese gel brands, today I'll be talking about Kokoist. If you don't know me already, I am Nali, licensed nail tech and educator. If you haven't already, make sure to check out parts 1, 2, and 3, where I share with you 3 Japanese gel brands and how they can help you enhance your services or even your own nails. And with that, I do share with you which one is my favorite go-to gel brand. Today, I go into part 4 of the series, which will be on the Japanese gel brand Kokoist. Now, Kokoist was established in 2010 and made their debut in the US about 2014. Now with Kokoist, I stumbled it across while I was already into leaf gel. So that's why Kokoist isn't my number 1 go-to. Kokoist gels are quite unique because of their clear gels, which are semi-hard. What does that mean? That means that they are a hybrid of soft and hard gel. Now let's go ahead and dive right in. Let's start with their base gels. Kokoist has 2, and it is their Mega Stick and their Platinum Bond Duo. Mega Stick base is a soft gel. They do state that it has the best adhesion and durability. This base is a soft gel type, meaning it will soak off a bit easier than a semi-hard gel. With this gel, the viscosity of this is on the lower end. Platinum Bond Duo, which is a 2-in-1 builder gel, gives you the maximum adhesion with the durability of a builder gel. So with this gel, I would say that it is best to use with someone who tends to lift. The viscosity of this gel is a medium, so you can definitely build out a nail with this gel. With Platinum Bond Duo, it does state that it is a semi-hard gel. It will take a bit longer to soak off, but it's going to give you more durability. Both products do come in a bottle form as well, if that's what you like. Jumping into top coats. Kokoist offers 3 top coat with 3 special effect non-white top coats. So you have your ultra glossy non-white and your matte top gel. Both are non-white. Nothing much to say about these 2. They are your typical, non-white top coat, but ultra glossy is a bit thicker when it comes to a non-white top coat. Kokoist does offer a stain barrier non-white top gel. So perfect for like hairstylists if they work with chemicals a lot, like dyes. Now, I haven't used that particular top coat myself, so I wouldn't know if it is stain resistant. If you work with a lot of products like dyes and chemicals, then I would definitely give this product a try. Then you have your special effect top coat. They have the rainbow and the diamond, which has glitters in them. And I love these 2 because they really give a good effect on colored gels without having to top coat again, especially with glitter. I can just put this on a color and then you're done. No wiping. So I think this top coat is, yes, really good. They do have the Aurora effect non-white top, and it gives you the same effect. Put it on top of any color. It's going to add a bit of a twist to any color that you have. So Kokoist only has 1 extend gel, and it is their Excel Builder Gel. It is also a semi-hard gel and can be used as an overlay or to build out a nail. I would definitely use this one for extra strength if clients tend to break their nails a lot or if they want an even longer nail. Okay, I'm going to jump into brushes really quick because when I took the Kokoist class, I found that their brushes were really unique to me. They do offer 14 styles of brushes, and what I learned about these brushes is that they are made of the highest quality, and it is only made in a certain town in Japan that only makes brushes. And I thought that was really unique how they can go and find these really unique towns that only specializes in those kind of stuff. So yes, so I wanted to bring that up if you ever decide that you want to invest in some of great quality brushes. Going into colors, Kokoist has over 250 plus colors, and their colors are very pigmented. I do love Kokoist formulation on their gel colors because they are so buttery smooth, and they are really great for nail art. They are just as smooth as leaf gel. I want to compare, but something about their gel is it's actually really good. All right, so that wraps up Japanese gel brand Kokoist. Now, Kokoist offers a lot of other nail art stuff and gels and chromes, but when it comes to Japanese gels like this, I like to talk mostly about the important products to help you kind of figure which brand most serves you. Now, have you figured out which Japanese gel brand you're kind of leaning towards? Leave it in the comments below, and as always, give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Happy New Year's and peace out!